Good morning, kids. Hello. Today you are going to name and talk about colors and sing a song. Let's begin. But first, watch this video.
What is this red fruit?
It's an apple.
Are apples always red?
Some apples are green, like these ones.
This peach is pink. Is pink your favorite color, Lisa? Yes, it is.
What's your favorite color, Bob?
I like green.
Purple is my favorite color.
There are some purple fruits over there.
What are these purple fruits? They are grapes. Hey, look! There are some yellow oranges on that tree.
Those oranges are not yellow, they are orange.
Is orange a color? Orange is a color and a fruit, Lisa. I love oranges. Don't climb up that tree. Orange trees are thorny.
Okay, and now let's practice the colors. Is it orange? No, it isn't. Yes, it's red. Red. Very good. It's red. Is it blue? No, it isn't. Yes, very good. It's yellow. Yellow. Is it red? No, it isn't. Yes, it's pink. Pink. What color is it? Yes, very good. Green. It's green. Is it orange? Yes, it's orange. Orange is a color and a fruit too. What color is it? Yes, very good. Purple. It's purple. Very good. Is it green? No, it isn't. Yes, it's blue. Blue. Okay, very good, kids. Red, yellow, pink, green, orange, purple, and blue. Okay, very good. Good job, kids. Now open your pupils book at page 7. What page? 7. We are going to learn and sing the song. Okay? What do you see? What can you see? Yes, a rainbow. Do you remember? Yes, a rainbow. And monster. No, this is a monster, and here are more monsters. A rainbow and monsters. Okay, now let's sing the song.
Pupils Book, page 7. 7. Sing the song.
Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow to you. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, 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 sing a rainbow to you.
Okay, now is your turn. Okay, we are going to sing the song together. Okay, listen and let's sing the song together.
7. 7. Sing the song.
Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow to you. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, 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 sing a rainbow to you.
Very good, kids. Excellent job. Now you are going to sing the song again, but this time when you hear the word rainbow, you move your arms like this. Put your arms, do you see me? Like an arch, and you move your arms like this, like a rainbow. Okay? Are you ready? Good. Let's begin.
Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow to you. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, 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 sing a rainbow to you.
Good job, kids. And now, are you ready for the karaoke version? Yes? Okay. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow to you. Now your turn. now let's go to the next activity, activity 8. Listen and say the color, okay? You listen and you say what color is it. Ready? Good.
Pupils Book, page 7. 8. Listen and say the color.
6.
Okay, which one is number 6? This. Okay, what color is it? Listen.
3.
What color is this? Okay, good. Yellow.
5.
What color is this? Yes, blue.
1.
What color is it? Pink. Very good.
7.
Yes, purple.
4.
What color is it? Red.
2.
Good. Orange. Very good. Good job, kids. Now let's check your answers. Pink, orange, yellow, red, blue, green, and purple. Very good. Okay, now take out your activity book and open on page 7. Activity book, page 7. On this activity, you are going to listen and color. So take out your colors. You need your colors. Are you ready? Okay.
Activity Book, page 7. 7. Listen and color. 1.
Look at number 8. Color it red. Red? Yes. Color number 8 red. Okay.
Okay, this is an example. What number? Number 8. No. Is this number 8? No. Is this number 8? No. Is this number 8? Yes. What color number 8? Red. Very good. So you color number 8 red. Okay? Good. Let's continue with the other numbers. Okay?
2.
Look at number 1. Color it purple. Okay. Number 1 is purple.
3.
Okay. Look at number 7. Color it blue. Blue? Yes. Number 7 is blue.
4.
What color's number 9? It's yellow. Number 9 is yellow. Okay.
5.
Look at number 4. Color it orange. Okay. Number 4 is orange. Yes.